Welcome to our beginner's guide to video editing. Today, we're diving into the importance and applications of video editing in 2025. Whether you're starting a YouTube channel or creating personal videos, free software can be a game changer. Let's explore some of its key features and benefits. Here are the top free video editing tools for beginners in 2025. Each offers unique features to enhance your editing experience. Before diving into editing, it's essential to understand basic terminology. Let's break down the key concepts you need to know. Now, let's get started with importing and organizing your footage for a smoother editing process. Mastering essential editing techniques is crucial. We will cover cutting, trimming, and adding transitions to elevate your video. Audio is key to a great video. Learn how to add music, voiceovers, and sound effects effectively. Text and graphics can enhance your storytelling. Let's look at how to effectively incorporate titles, subtitles, and overlays. Once your video is edited, exporting it correctly is critical. We'll discuss formats and settings for the best quality. Finally, practice makes perfect. We'll share tips to help you consistently improve your editing skills.